Hi, I'm Lainey, and today I'm going to show you how to get a beautiful and natural look with some of my favorite Mary Kay makeup products. But before I do, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to be the first to see the latest videos from Mary Kay. We're uploading new videos every week. Now let's get into this look. First, I'm going to start with the eyes. Take rose gold and apply it all over your eyelids and along the crease using the all-over eyeshadow brush. Then take Crystalline and apply it as a highlighter on the corners of your eye and right under the brow bone using the eye smudger brush. After that, take the eyeliner and apply it along the top lash line. Finish off this super cute eye look with a touch of mascara on your top and bottom lashes. Now onto cheeks. Take highlighter in Glazed and apply it on the top of your cheekbones and along the bridge of your nose. Then, for an added glow, repeat and apply highlighter in Honey Glow in the same spots. Last but not least, the lips. Start by lining your lips with lip liner in medium nude. Then, fill in with the Mary Kay fan favorite, Poppy Please. And that's how you upgrade your barely there makeup in less than 5 minutes. If you try this, be sure to tag Mary Kay on social media to show off your look. Bye, gorgeous!